Hello, welcome back to AyaansMath. Today we are going to see one Olympiad problem. So the question is given: factorize x to the power of 13 plus x to the power of 11 plus 1. So some logic is there. That's why this problem is selected. As we are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Plus x power 6 minus x power 4 plus x cube minus x plus 1. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 900 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So how to solve this problem? So here in algebra, factorization is very important now. So if you know the skills of factorization, you can do the algebra very easily. So here, first of all, I'll write given x power 13 plus x to the power of 11 plus 1. So here by observation you can see that these two you can take common x power 11. So here I am taking x to the power of 11 common, x square plus 1 plus 1. So here we are having the logic adding x and subtracting x. Adding x and subtract x. So in this bracket we are going to add x and we are going to subtract x. X to the power of 11 into x square plus x plus 1 minus x plus 1. So here we are adding these values x and 1. So here if you open the bracket, x to the power of 11 into x square plus x plus 1 plus 1 minus x to the power of 12. So if you multiply these two, you will get x power 12 minus x power 12. I am writing at last. So here you can use the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. By using this formula, you can write the factors here. So x to the power of 11 into x square plus x plus 1 here plus 1 minus x power 6 into 1 plus x power 6. So writing it as factors, will take 1 power 12. So here you'll get 1 power 6 minus x power 6, 1 power 6 plus x power 6. Now further you can divide it. X to the power of 11 into x square plus x plus 1. So further I can apply the formula here. 1 minus x cube into 1 plus x cube into 1 plus x to the power of 6. So here if you take minus common, x to the power of 11 into x square plus x plus 1 minus I am taking x common, x minus 1 into 1 plus x cube into 1 plus x to the power of 6. Okay. Now here you can apply the formula x to the power of 11 into x square plus x plus 1. Here a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square formula you are applying here. So here what will get here? X minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 into 1 plus x cube into 1 plus x power 6. So here x power 11, these two terms you can take common. X square plus x plus 1 common, x square plus x plus 1 you are taking common. Now what is left here? X to the power of 11, this value, x power 11 minus of x minus 1 into 1 plus x cube into 1 plus x to the power of 6. So here if you multiply these values, so here x square plus x plus 1 into x to the power of 11 minus, here if you multiply these two, x to the power of 4 minus x cube plus x minus 1 into 1 plus x power 6. Okay, next what will get here? X square plus x plus 1 into x to the power of 11 minus, here will get x to the power of 10 minus x power 9 plus x to the power of 7 minus x to the power of 6 plus x power 4 minus x cube plus x minus 1. So here if you open the bracket, x square plus x plus 1 into x power 11 minus x power 10 plus x to the power of 9 minus x power 7 plus x power 6 minus x power 4 plus x cube minus x plus 1. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansMath Olympiad.